Hello student, good morning. I am Dr.A.K Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class up to question number 138 I have discussed, and I was discussing questions based on competitive examination, selected from competitive examination, including medical, engineering, IIT, particularly IIT. Some questions are from AIMS also. Now I will continue from question number 139. I am reading now question. The empirical formula of an organic compound containing carbon and hydrogen is CH2. The mass of 1 liter of this organic gas is exactly equal to that of 1 liter of N2. Therefore, the molecular formula of the organic gas is first option is C2H4, second option is C3H6, fourth option is C6H12, and third option is C6H12, fourth option is C4H8. Again I am reading one more time question. The empirical formula of an organic compound containing carbon and hydrogen is CH2. The mass of 1 liter of this organic gas is exactly equal to that of 1 liter of N2. Therefore, the molecular formula of the organic gas is option first C2H4, option 2 C3H6, option 3 C6H12, and option 4 C4H8. Just to think, this question is asked in MSET. Now think, question is not difficult. Now I am telling the answer. Its correct answer is option A, C2H4. C2H4. How? Then for that you should understand the question. Question is like this: empirical formula of organic compound containing carbon and hydrogen is CH2. Empirical formula. The mass of 1 liter of this gas, means whatever question is asking for that gas, the mass of 1 liter of this organic gas, because empirical formula is CH2. Then gas whose formula is empirical formula is CH2, that gas, the mass of 1 liter of this organic gas is exactly equal to that of 1 liter of N2. 1 liter of N2 nitrogen means 1 liter of N2. Then now here 1 liter of N2, then mass of 1 liter of gas, means organic gas, that is equal to mass of 1 liter of N2. Then molecular masses will be equal to, that is the molecular mass of the gas will be 28. N2, 14 into 2, 28. Correct? Its molecular mass is, the molecular mass will be equal to 28. Correct? Then molecular mass is 28. Empirical formula is CH2. That CH2 means what is the empirical formula weight? Then CH2 12 plus 2 14. 14 is empirical formula, and molecular formula in indirect way it is given 28 equal to 1 liter N2 means 28. Then molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight, that is the, now it became 28 divided by 14, that is the 2, correct? 28 divided by 14, 2. Then now empirical formula is CH2, then molecular formula will be double C2H4, C2H4, hence option A is correct, C2H4. Now next question, question number 140. 19.7 kg of gold was recovered from a smuggler. How many atoms of gold were recovered? AU is equal to 197. This question is also asked in Punjab CET. 19.7 kg of gold was recovered from a smuggler. How many atoms of gold were recovered? Auric atomic mass is 197, it is given. Now just you think and answer. It is also not difficult. Okay, think and answer. Now I am giving you this hint. 1 mole of AU, 1 mole of AU is equal to 197 gram. It is given. Atomic mass is 197. It means 1 mole of AU, AU means gold, auric, is equal to 197 gram. Then for 0.197 kg means what? That is 1 mole means Avogadro number, you know. 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number. And here 1 mole means 197 kg. Then according to the question 19.7 kg. Then in 19.7 kg what will be the number of molecule, number of atoms? Then it will be 19.7 kg means what? That is actually 197 gram, that is equal to Avogadro number. You can convert into the milligram. Oh, no, it is given 197 gram. 197 gram means Avogadro number. Then you can convert into the kg. Then you will get 197 divided by 1000, 0.197 kg. That is equal to Avogadro number, means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Hence you can calculate very easily for 19.7. For 0.17 kg, its a number, auric means gold atom is Avogadro number. Then for 19.7, what will happen? Just it will increase 100 times. Okay, because 19.7 kg you have to calculate according to the question. 0.197 kg is equal to Avogadro number. Then for 19.7, how much? Then easily you can calculate. It will become 6.02 into 10 to the power 25. Okay, and so correct answer is option D, 6.02 into 10 to the power 25. Very simple things are there. That 197 gram means Avogadro number. Then this you convert into the kg, it will become 197 kg. then you have to calculate for 19.7 kg. Correct? Simple things. Its correct answer will be that is the option D, 6.02 into 10 to the power 25. Okay? Question is easy only, not difficult. Only you have to think that 197 gram is equal to Avogadro number, means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay, this is a starting point. Then 197 gram means 0.197 kg. For 0.197 kg is equal to Avogadro number. Then for 19.7 kg, 19.7 kg, you calculate, you will get the answer. Okay. Now next question is question number 141. The oxide of a metal has 32% oxygen. Its equivalent weight will be first option 34, second option 32, third option 17, and fourth option is 16. 16. Now think and answer. Now it is also easy. Its correct answer. Its correct answer is option C. That is the 17. Okay. Again, one more time question I am reading, that the oxide of a metal has 32% oxygen. It's then you have to calculate its equivalent weight. First option is 34, second option is 32, third option is 17, fourth option is 16. Easily you can calculate. 32% oxygen is there, means out of 100, 32%, 32 gram is oxygen. Okay, then equivalent weight you have to calculate. Then for equivalent weight, for 8 gram you will calculate. For 8 gram oxygen, how much metal is required, that you have to calculate. This is very easy. Correct? Equivalent weight of metal will be 100 minus 32. That is the metal weight. Correct? Then this is for this metal, 100 minus 32 means you will get 68 gram metal. Means 32 gram oxygen reacts with 68 gram metal. Then for 1, then for 8 gram, it will come 17. Now next question. Actually this question was also asked in medical examination, MP. In MP medical examination, PMT, this question was asked. Now next question, question number 142. Crystals of which pair are isomorphous? Crystals of which pairs are isomorphous? First option is ZnSO4, SnSO4. Second is MgSO4, calcium sulfate. Third option is ZnSO4, MgSO4. Fourth option is lead-SO4, nickel sulfate. Think and answer. This is also easy. This question is also asked in medical examination, PMT, MP. Okay, in MP this question was asked, PMT. Again I am telling you one more time, question is not difficult, easy, direct answer is there. Again I am reading one more time. Crystals of which pair are isomorphous? First pair is ZnSO4, SnSO4. Second, MgSO4, calcium sulfate. Third, ZnSO4, MgSO4. Fourth, lead sulfate, nickel sulfate. Think and answer. Its correct answer is ZnSO4 and MgSO4. Why? Because it has similar molecular formula. Similar molecular formula. Both have ZnSO4 and MgSO4. Both have similar molecular formula. Okay. That's why this is the correct answer. 142. That is the ZnSO4, MgSO4. Okay. That is option C. Option C. That is the correct. Okay. ZnSO4, MgSO4. Zn and MC. Zn has a +2. Mg also has a +2. And SO4 is okay, no problem. In both SO sulfate is there. Then this is the correct answer. Okay. Now next question. Actually in other option ZnSO4, SnSO4 valency may change, Zn and Sn. Okay. But here Zn MgSO4 structure, if you will see the structure, maybe balance is same. But a structure, if you will see, then you will find a similar structure. Not only valency, structure also you have to see. Then both have similar structure. Okay. Valency of this MgSO4, calcium sulfate also may be the same. ZnSO4, SnSO4 may be the same. But a structure is different. Hence correct option is only option C, ZnSO4, MgSO4. Its structure is similar. Next question is 143. 3.92 gram per liter of a sample of ferrous ammonium sulfate reacts completely with 50 ml N/10 KMnO4 solution. The percentage purity of the sample is first option 50, second option 78.4, third option 80, fourth option 39.2. Again one more time I am reading the question. 3.92 gram per liter of a sample of ferrous ammonium sulfate reacts completely with 50 ml N/10 KMnO4 solution. The percentage purity of the sample is first option 50, second option 78.4, third option 80, fourth option 39.2. Just to think and answer. It will take less time, less than 1 minute. You think. Its correct option is 50. Correct option is 50. How? Now I am telling you. Here you have to use the formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2. And you should know the reaction. Okay. N1V1 means ferrous ammonium sulfate. Its formula is ApSO4 NH4 whole 2 SO4 6H2O. This is a ferrous ammonium sulfate. And this is the N1V1 you have to know for this ApSO4 ferrous ammonium sulfate. N1V1 you consider for this, N2V2 for KMnO4. Then here that ammonium ferrous sulfate, you don't know N1, leave it N1. Per liter means 1000 cc. Okay. and this N1 into 1000 cc, that is equal to 1 upon 10 according to the question. 1 upon 10 into 50, because it reacts completely. It reacts completely. 3.92 gram per liter of a sample of ferrous ammonium sulfate per liter volume is given. Okay, reacts completely with 50 ml of N by 10 KMnO4. Okay, that's why here you are writing N1 into 1000, that is equal to 50 into 1 upon 10. 50 upon 50 into 1 upon 10. Okay, because it reacts completely. Then now N1 you can calculate. N1 will be 1 upon 200. 1 upon 200. Now see, this normality you have calculated. Normality of FeSO4 you have calculated 1 upon 200. Equivalent weight of FeSO4 means ferrous ammonium sulfate. FeSO4 NH4 whole 2 NH4 whole 2 SO4 6H2O. This molecular weight is 392. If you calculate ferrous ammonium sulfate, that is 6H2O, you remember, FeSO4 NH4 whole 2 SO4 6H2O. Its molecular weight is 392. Then strength of the salt. What will be the strength of the salt? This is 1 upon 200. N1 is, you calculated 1 upon 200. Then strength of the pure salt will be, pure salt, 392 into 1 upon 200. That is 1.96 gram per liter. But here in question, how much they have given? 3.92 gram per liter. Okay. Then here that percentage of purity you can calculate. Out of 3.92, only pure metal is 1.96. This is the half of 3.92. Hence it will be 50%. Percentage of purity will be 1.96. You have calculated a strength of pure salt, that is 1.96 gram per liter. Then percentage you can calculate purity. 3.92 contains 1.96 gram pure metal. Then for 1, then for 100, it will come 50%. Hence the correct answer is option A, 50. Now next question I am telling you, question number 144. A molar solution is one that contains 1 mole of solute in option 1, that is 1000 gram of the solvent. Option A is 1000 gram of the solvent. Option B, 1 liter of the solvent. Third, 1 liter of solution. And fourth, 22.4 liter of the solution. Tell me, this question is asked in IIT. Again I am reading one more time. A molar solution of 1 that contains 1 mole of a solute in first option 1000 gram of the solvent, second option 1 liter of the solvent, third 1 liter of the solution, fourth 22.4 liter of the solution. It is a very easy direct answer, but question is asked in IIT. Just to think an answer. Its correct option is option C, 1 liter of the solution. By definition, a molar solution is one that contains 1 mole of solute in 1 liter of solution. This is the definition. Okay, correct option is C, 1 liter of solution. Now next question. Next question, that is question number 145. Now question I am reading. 74.5 gram of metallic chloride contains 35.5 gram of chlorine. The equivalent weight of the metal is first option 19.5, second option 35.5, third option 39.0, fourth option 78.0. Again I am repeating one more time. 74.5 gram of metallic chloride contains 35.5 gram of chlorine. The equivalent weight of the metal is first option 19.5, second option 35.5, fourth option 39.0, third option is 39.0, fourth option 78.0. Again option I am telling you. First option is 19.5, second 35.5, third 39.0, fourth 78.0. This is also very easy, but it is asked, this question is asked in CPMT, okay, medical examination. Easily you can answer. Its correct answer is 39. How? Just to think, easily you can do. Equivalent weight of the metal, actually total weight is 74.5. In that 35.5 is the chlorine. Then 74.5 minus 35.5. How much will come? It will come 39. Then in this weight of the metal, which will combine with 35.5, that is the equivalent weight or equivalent mass. Then difference, what is the difference? That is the answer. Then correct answer is 39. That is the option C. Next question I am telling you. This question is also asked in examination MLNR exam. Now question I am reading. 100 ml of PH3 phosphine gas. 100 ml of PH3 when decomposed produces phosphorus and hydrogen. The change in volume is first option 50 ml increase, second option 500 ml decrease, third option 900 ml decrease, fourth option nil. Now you think an answer. Again one more time question I am reading. 100 ml of PH3 when decomposed produces phosphorus and hydrogen. The change in volume is first option 50 ml increase, second option 500 ml decrease, third option 900 ml decrease, fourth option nil. It is also just within 1 minute you can solve it. Just to think. Its correct option is first option 50 ml increase. How? Now just to think. For this question you have to write the first balanced equation. How PH3 will decompose, that reaction you have to write. Then when PH3 decomposes, it gives phosphorus plus hydrogen. Then balance equation you have to write, means 2PH3, it will give 2P plus 3H2. 2P plus 3H2 means 2 ml PH3 when it will decompose, it will give 3H2 means 3 ml. Then if 100 ml it will decompose, how much it will give? 2 ml PH3 is giving 3 ml H2. Then for 1 ml, then for 100 ml, for 100 ml it will give 150 ml. 150 ml. Then you have, in the beginning it was 100 ml. Now you are getting 150 ml. Hence increase is of 50 ml. Hence correct answer is first option. Option 1, 50 ml increase. Now one more question I want to discuss. 1 mole of methane. 1 mole of methane contains first option Avogadro number atoms of hydrogen. Second, 4 gram atom of hydrogen. Third, 1.81 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of CH4. And fourth, 3 gram of carbon. This question is also asked in MLNR exam. Again, one more time you read. I am reading, question is easy. 1 mole of methane, 1 mole of methane CH4 contains first option 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of H. Second, 4 gram atom of hydrogen. Third option, 1.81 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of methane. Fourth option, 3 gram of carbon. You can answer it very easily. Just to think. Its correct answer is 4 gram atom of hydrogen. 4 gram atoms of hydrogen. Okay, how? Yeah, just you think. Okay, 1 mole of methane, in that 4 hydrogen is there. 4 hydrogen. Then that's why its correct answer will be 4 gram atom of H. 4 gram atom of hydrogen. Okay, CH4 is there. Then in that 4 atom, 1 mole contains 4 hydrogen. 4 hydrogen atom. Hence correct answer is 4 gram atom. 4 gram atom of hydrogen. You remember 4 gram of hydrogen. Okay, because that will contain Avogadro number. Correct, the Avogadro number means here gram atom. That's why here in 1 mole 4 hydrogen is there. That's why 4 gram atom of hydrogen is correct answer. Now I am stopping only here. Next class again I will continue. Thank you.